group discussion.
That
वो
dictatorship one.
dictatorship.
Is dictatorship worked
What
for
was-
certain countries? Do
Yeah,
dictatorship work for certain?
You even don't know what is the topic.
Yeah, I know that it is dictatorship one. I didn't know the full sentence.
Yeah, I
No
also
problem.
know only this much, that
May
was
I
something
start?
dictatorship.
May I start?
Who were host? Yes, you
start.
can.
I think so that yes, dictatorship has worked for certain countries because when there was World War II, many democracy, many
I
countries
have
are
read the
there
same article.
who has gone through emergency, so their economic level has gone very down. Due to that, certain dictator have taken over those countries, and their economic growth is so much, like they are the economic powers of that time because of the dictatorship.
I
If
agree
dictatorship
with
was not there, they would have collapsed. Their government would have collapsed. Their people would have suffered so much. So
Yeah, I
think
agree with
it has
Akansha.
worked.
And I also want to add one point, that dictatorship breed will develop the dictatorship will develop, will enhance the development, as all the decisions will be straightforward by only one leader, means there will be no opposition to vote of the parties and all, and only one leader will host the everything. So all the decision making on whatever he wants, he can just make without any that disturbance and all. So it has worked for some certain countries.
Yes, I agree. Like in India, in West Bengal, Tata Group want to start a company. The government allowed, but the opposition gave so much resistance that they were not able to start a factory. If
Yeah.
it would have been, there would be more development. If dictatorship would be there, it would have been set up. But because of
Dictatorship will work in now situation, because earlier people were not knowing anything, but now today people are more into technology and education, and they
I don't
won't
think-
work under
But
anyone's
I don't
freedom.
agree. I don't agree.
Yeah, and I also, and if
Today,
and
in
yes,
today's time also, there are so many countries who are under dictatorship. China, Russia,
Yeah,
they are
and
so
and yes, we can
powerful and
yeah.
under
And listen to me also, that it will also give the better control of human development. Means in China the population was rising so much, and their one child norm population in control, but it is not possible in India. India population is just growing and growing, and in China the one child norm has just control, means it has little bit control for that, but it is impossible in India. So dictatorship can
Do you think, Neha,
Okay,
any one leader will be able to control the whole country, which is full of so many religions? Do you think any one leader will control all these religions and this much population in India?
I am saying in
Party
certain
wants to say
country. I am
something.
not saying for India.
It's not about India. It's
Yeah,
about
it is
certain
not about
country.
India.
Dictator has.
We are saying about all the
Because
countries.
Neha only mentioned India, that's why I
I
pointed
have
her
just
out.
given an example that in China these things are happen, but it is impossible in India, because in India is not under any one.
Sorry to interrupt,
want-
Neha. You literally don't know what's happening in China, and it's a mystery that what is
Now
going
they
in.
have also
You
increased the number of child.
people of China don't have even right to comment on their social media. If
So
in case
that's
they
why
decide,
they are under dictatorship. But they
Yeah,
are developing in every sector. Their military is so good. Their technology is so good. Citizens are getting every facilities as a country.
but the situation is very worst. They can't even speak for their rights. They're not getting their right. Their rules have been imposed on them. Whether the people are liking that rules or
Then
not,
if
the government never
if
worry
they
about
have
it.
right to speak, then it would not be a dictatorship. It would be a democracy then.
And if someone speak, they are being killed. There was a girl, she said something about the Wuhan.
China is happy with dictatorship, right, Akansha?
Yes, I support dictatorship.
But I don't
And what
support
about North Korea? People of North Korea are not getting any freedom. Do you see how
Yes,
cruel is Kim Jong-un?
but they do not feel bad for that situation because they are under dictatorship from a century. Kim Jong Il was the first dictator there, then his father, then Kim Jong Un, and they were like they praise him like God. They are not
You know,
like,
there was
they are
one
not sad
case,
for their situation.
these North Korean people are allowed to put the photo of Kim Jong Un and his family in their room. And there was one woman, a fire was in their house. So this woman saved her children instead of the photo, and she was sent to jail because she didn't save the photo of the Kim Jong Un family. So it is good. Are they getting
I
this
want to ask
freedom?
one
Are they
question. These are
No,
Hmm.
but
they
as a
have
country, they are growing so much. They can पंगा ले सकते हैं अमेरिका के they can like fight with America also. Like they are military power is so much that matlab, for that country it is good. Matlab, it to survive in this situation. If there would be a democracy, America would have crushed them till now. They have been
Akansha, I
crushed.
support your point. Akansha, I support your point that dictatorship has worked for several countries, but it is not always about technology and other things. I mean, democracy is
Human
like a
rights,
government that is for the people, and dictatorship is like nobody is even getting any freedom and liberty to speak. So can you measure success in only terms of technology and development? Don't you want to see people's choice over?
Yes, I agree, Prashal. But it is only that in dictatorship they are not allowed to do not give their views. Like Russia, also there is like a partial dictatorship. They don't say that I am a dictator. He says that Putin. He says that he is the president over there. But he do not allow the media to print against him. He do not allow the opposition to speak against him. He imprison them. But then also the country is doing miracle.
You
Their
are
Yeah, I
education
agree your
system is
point.
good.
Means
Their
country is yeah, country means you want that country should do miracles. Country should be at high, but the people living inside the country should not get their rights. One who we people always get one life, and in that life also we need to live like under others' rule. Means we don't have freedom to do anything. We can't go anywhere. Like you're talking about China, you know, in China, just because of this dictatorship, they have launched one app. I didn't remember the name of the app. It was some credit course in which since
Guys,
birth
I'm
the
getting meeting alert. This pre-meeting will be end in 10 minutes.
yeah, but I don't know how to upgrade. Let it end.
Okay, so what I was saying that in China, one credit course has been an app is being started in which every citizen of China will get grade points, and in case the grade point goes below some average point, then that person will not be allowed to go out of China, even if that person don't go below that average points, he will not be even given treatment from China. So is it good thing for me just for raising high or to become superpower, being in dictatorship and not thinking about people? Means like it was
I
bad,
agree with you,
but there was a
Parthi, that dictatorship is not good for every country. Like in Zimbabwe also, that Robert has ruled for 37 years, and the country poverty line is like 72% are below poverty line. Their dictatorship does not work. But like
recently in even Myanmar, the dictatorship has been started from this Feb 2021 only, and now today's their economy is so low that they are not even getting money. They are not getting even money to eat. The situation is that bad. Just because,
No,
like in Myanmar, one disease, one epidemic was spread. Just because of that spread, the military corps have overcome that. Means they have overcome means they have taken over as a dictatorship, and now the situations are very worst. And talking about China,
it is not like first time in Myanmar. Before also we have studied in that civics books also, and like till 2016 there was a dictatorship only in Myanmar. That is a military dictatorship. military
Yeah.
took over the whole system, and they
Again,
used to
again,
torture.
it happened.
They used to
But-
torture the people, and the people used to migrate. Like in India, there is a problem. Like Rohingyas are refugees are coming to India, and now we are like where to send them. In Delhi, they have occupied many areas. It is the latest news that Delhi government is Uttar Pradesh government and Delhi government are saying that remove them from the government position land. But where to send them? They have came from Myanmar to save themselves. So I'm saying that it is not good for every country, but it has worked for many countries.
Yeah,
In many
I agree
countries,
with the
there is
Kangsha. We are
democracy.
not talking about
but in the countries
particular
where
country.
Yeah, but majority of the country with dictatorship always failed. Majority of them. You can take the example of Iraq. It was in the dictatorship of a person named Saddam Hussein. I don't exactly remember the name. I forgot. So he promised that he will bring peace to the country. He will abolish poverty. He did. But after that, he got the power and he started attacking other countries. And then USA started attacking back, and he was hanged. Ultimately, Iraq ruined his peace, and ultimately there is no it did gain peace. That's it. Dictatorship failed here.
Akansha and Neha, I agree to your point that strong dictator ruler has helped increasing the GDP and technology of countries like North Korea and China and Russia, as you mentioned. But do you feel people over there are satisfied and living freely and want to live in such a type of government? We are living in democracy. However, we choose a ruler. We are not even satisfied after we elect them, and still we feel satisfied because we have a chance to re-elect them, and we have a chance to protest over the ongoing actions, we have a part to participate in ongoing laws and bills. But do think about them. All people are not same. If they want to raise some voice against it, so will be they able to raise against the voice of such dictators?
Yeah, I agree your point, Rachel. Like you guys were talking about China. So if you'll ask even China people, means they agree with all the rules and regulation. They are not even means they are not happy with the rules and regulations. So means if there is dictatorship, but still the citizens are not happy. They are not satisfied. Then what kind of dictatorship?
Then
dictatorship-
citizenships are also not happy in democracy. Like the government do so much, but they are not still
Yeah,
not happy.
citizens are never
They
happy.
they
We
can't
are
they
we
can't
are
never be
democratic.
make happy.
We are living in a democratic country.
One group
Akansha,
one group may be very
they
happy,
put
and the
forward
other
their
group
problem in the
and
dictatorship.
other
The
group will
countries that are
complain.
having dictatorship, if they will put forward their problem, they will be just murdered or killed, anything. But in a democratic country, they have the right to put their views, and it is good. At least it will give self-satisfaction.
in
But people
China,
are also not happy in democratic
What
country
you
also.
want, then just do whatever you want in democratic country. But in dictatorship, you don't have even right to speak or just put your views.
Yeah.
Okay,
You
I
don't have
agree
right
with your
to
point, but okay, I agree. I agree with all your points that citizens are never happy in dictatorship. I agree this. Citizens are also not happy in these democratic countries also. You are seeing in our country also this in during this pandemic only you see if something is wrong, Modi ji has done. If something is good, then no one will just what we say. No one will.
talking about India.
Because
Yeah,
it is a corrupt democracy.
it is corrupted.
And
I
Modi
agree.
is moving towards dictatorship, I think. And it will
Let's
soon
just
become a
talk about
Modi
India and
policy,
China.
Modi dictatorship.
We also have many democratic
Then it
countries
will be
other
good.
than
Then it would be good.
Then,
And I
then
will
it will be
support
good.
him also.
I agree. I hope the Modi ji will do something good for country. Means yeah, then it will be good.
At least
How do you
development
think it
would
will be good?
because I
अरे वो
think
You
This is a misunderstanding, Neha. Don't you feel that we praised Modi ji for when he imposed lockdown for the first time, when he imposed vaccines, and secondly, when we were talking about Atmanirbharta yesterday in yesterday
Yeah,
session.
I agree your point, Rachel. Like we have many examples, and he has set many examples, even talking about Teen Talaq case or Jammu Kashmir that law or
I
anything.
am not
Whatever
talking
he has
about
done.
this. I am talking about it is not that we only criticize others and we never praise others. Actually, all persons are hypocrites. So maybe some praises and sometimes don't. But it is not that we always oppose to what Modi ji says and we always
Acha, okay. You are saying we all not always oppose now. Okay, then ask any other parties citizens. Ask them. They will oppose each and every point of Modi ji or BJP.
You know why? Yeah, I agree your point. But you know why they criticize them? Because they want to be at Modi ji's place. They want to get rule. They want to handle India. They want to be
Yeah,
in.
I agree with you. That thing only I am saying that if you are talking about dictatorship or democratic country, citizens are never happy with whatever is happening to them. Citizens are never happy. They are never happy.
People are never happy. I agree again. But what in case in at least democracy you're getting rights to speak, but in dictatorship you will not get even that.
Yeah,
You
I
even
agree
need
on this point. Yeah, I totally agree on this point. I agree this. In
I
democratic, we
also
are not.
agree on this point.
Yeah, I agree on this that we are not in democratic. People don't get any right to speak or anything.
6:20.
Where and what were you saying?
Acha, meet you. Acha, can please anybody tell? Is America has a democratic country or a dictatorship? You might be knowing it's very common.
Comes in a presidential democracy party.
Yes,
It
it
is
is a
not
democracy, but there are several parts
It's
where
super powerful.
dictatorship is good.
Sorry?
It is a democratic like democratic country or democratic government, but there are certain parts where dictatorship is still going on. In Africa also there are 18 countries. In America also there are 1 2 3. Like they don't call
Yeah, it
themselves
is
as
a
a dictator,
democratic
they call
country, but
themselves as
somewhere
a
it
king.
is.
Sooner or later, it will come to an end.
And if we'll
why
ask
don't
people
we
what they prefer, democracy or dictatorship, they'll always go for democracy because people fight for democracy.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
thing I agree. People want democracy because in democracy we are having right to do anything, whatever we want. I agree to this point.
And you know, in a country where dictatorship is there, only one person is happy. That is one who dictates.